Hey, what's up guys? This is Cam with Oregon Design Co. I want to show you guys a little bit about this project that we did. We actually wrapped this body in March of this year, and when it was in here the first time, we didn't really get the opportunity to show it off. This is a full wrap on this funny car body. It's full print and metallic printable from 3M. We actually hand laid out all of the flames and graphics on this thing before we vectorized it and printed it. We wrapped the top of it in white and then created a whole custom chrome package for this thing. We wanted to keep a tough look to it, so we actually designed tail lights, bumpers, and all of that stuff. We actually created a Thunderbird Ford logo for the front of it. We designed it on our own. Added a really cool mesh knit pattern inside of the flames here, as well as some nice little pinstripe touches. Even printed and designed these headlights. The cool part about this body, it's one of only like 3 left in the whole country. We wanted to make sure that we paid homage to the cool factor of it and really give it a wrap that it deserves. So if it's gonna go fast and on something cool, then we may as well have some fun with it. So anytime you're down at the Woodburn drag strip, Magis drag strip, maybe up in Seattle, you might see these guys racing it down there. So look for it out there, and peace.